Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find music for your motivational videos. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and don't make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, I've found the best place to find motivational music is to head on over to tiktok.com and then just do a search for motivational music, and you see all these top accounts or top trending TikToks. So you can use any one of these in your next video or for videos. But if you want to have a look at a library, so you've got a couple here to pick from, IK Music and the Funk Face. So one I recommend is either of these. So I'm going to click on to IK Music 000. So simply click on a track you would like to use for your motivational video. And then once you've clicked into it, so I'll click into this random one. I'll just pause this now. So now what you want to do is copy the URL for this track here. And then you want to head on over to Google and type in download TikTok to MP3. And then one I like to use is save. So download TikTok to MP3 online. And now put in your TikTok link here, which we've got from here. So simply copy that, paste that here and click on download and give that a few moments to download. And then, you'll come to this page here. So download MP3. Click on download MP3. There's an ad here, get out the ad. And now you can see it's downloading. So once that is done, that is saved to your computer and you can use that track in your next motivational video. So to do that is simply head on over to CapCut. This is a current project I've been working on. So to add that track I just downloaded, I'm going to click on import. And there it is there, tick save. So I double click that, drag that into my current project. And now that track is going to get played over this current video. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.